Over the last 15 or 20 years, there's been a lot of lawsuits in Pennsylvania around what does shareholder oppression mean, what are reasonable expectations of a shareholder in a business, and what kind of rights do I have to try to enforce that. We will cover that over the course of several videos because it's a lot of information to unpack. But for the purpose of today's video, the reasonable expectations of a shareholder can include the ability to work for the business and earn a salary from the business, to make decisions about the company's management and financial operations, and to share in the profits of the business. The cases we see most often is when one shareholder freezes out the other shareholder. They cut the shareholder out of the bank accounts, they remove their access, or they take out all the money and transfer it to a different account. Then they tell the employees to not talk to the person, not answer to the person. They change the passwords on the company's vendor and email accounts, and they sometimes will lock the doors of the business. If something like that happens to you, you should contact a lawyer. Often, people will freeze out a shareholder and then start making demands to buy them out. And when they do that, they try to buy them out for pennies on the dollar, for much less than their shares are worth. And oftentimes, because the person's been cut out from employment and because the person is not getting a salary, not getting access to the business, they just don't want the headache. And so they'll agree to take pennies on the dollar when they may be entitled to much, much more. Pennsylvania law entitles you to get an accounting of the business. Pennsylvania law also allows you to get a valuation of the business, and if you have been oppressed as a shareholder, to get your shares or interests bought out at their fair market value, not what somebody's offering to pay you. If you feel like your rights as a shareholder have been oppressed, you should contact the lawyer immediately. You shouldn't be corresponding directly with the other side or the other side's lawyer, and you want to make sure to document all of your concerns and issues in writing.